regional project that is trying to look at forecasting in global trends for 2030, and think tanks were one of the communities that could apply for funding and for participation in this project. So given the extensive engagement that we have with the think tank community, Antonio and I have prepared this publication to try and understand this think tank community. So it's not really about defining what a European think tank is, but rather trying to see what the elements are. We also did not engage in a process of ranking think tanks. We just picked the ones that we felt were more representative in each in member states where we feel think tanks do play a role, because there are member states where the think tank community is still quite underdeveloped. And through a comparative exercise, we try to look at the features that were jumping out of this analysis. And this publication is by no means an official Commission document, so it's almost like an internal exercise that we've shared with other Directorate Generals. And it's also an attempt on our part to try and link the think tank community and especially the other services of the Commission with this community, which we feel is very important for the policy-making process. And it's a recognition, obviously, of the fact that think tanks are as much opinion shapers, both upstream, so vis-à-vis the decision makers, but also a pulse of society in the European Union, in the different member states. So they're also public opinion shapers. One of the main differences I think one has to keep in mind is that even though the term think